School Islamic Center. I am currently on the 5th floor, and it's the final floor due to be complete in the next few weeks, just before Ramadan. Inshallah, tabarakallah. So we have 4 floors: the basement, Friday prayer hall, the 3rd floor, and then this is the 4th floor. Inshallah, tabarakallah. And this is the dome.